Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will be taking a closer look at the Ozito Power Lawnmower and sharing my thoughts on its performance, features and overall usability. This lawnmower is designed to make your task quick and effortless, and it's quick and it looks like it's up to the task. Let's talk about performance. When it comes to the performance, the Ozito Lawnmower doesn't disappoint. It is powered by a robust battery that provides enough power to tackle even the toughest of lawns with ease. Performance of this lawnmower is still the same when I first bought it. It can struggle if the grass is too thick or too long or it's too wet. If you compare the performance of battery powered lawnmower with the gas power, the battery powered lawnmower is not that powerful, but it still does the job. Let's talk about the handles. The handles are really easy to adjust, and it's very easy to empty the catcher as well. The noise of this lawnmower is very less compared to the gas powered lawnmower. It's pretty much the same when I bought it. It didn't get louder or anything. It's still doing good. You don't need to use any noise cancelling earplugs for your ears or anything like that. If you talk about the maneuverability, it's very easy to maneuver around the poles or around the trays or the tight spaces. It's very lightweight lawnmower. And for the wear and tear after 2 years, there is no rust because it's mostly made of plastic. The only thing is on the handles, there is some rough scuffs because I use the gloves sometimes. And for all the grass clipping, I just spread my grass clipping around the walls of my house. I just use it as a mulch just to kill the weed. It stopped growing weed on these corners. Just a quick tip for you guys. The height adjustments is very easy to use. This is the key it comes with, so you take out and it won't start. The batteries are very easy to take off and put on. And this is how it looks underneath after 2 years of use. The blades are still sharp and there is hardly any wear and tear underneath because it's mostly made of plastic, so there is no rust at all. The best height setting I found for this lawnmower is 45 millimeters only. If you try to do 35 or 25, it will struggle. Sometimes the grass jammed up behind the blades and it won't start, so you will have to manually take out the grass and start again. For the batteries, it's very easy to charge. You just clip on like that. Take about 45 minutes to charge the battery. And that's it for my lawnmower review. I will recommend this lawnmower for small to medium sized lawns. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.